Let us do few MCQs related to Mulkraj Anand. Please do watch the biography part of this author so that you can attempt for these MCQs efficiently. This kind of preparation is very important for any competitive exam, specifically for UGC NET and MA English entrance. First question I have kept objective, and for the viewers only, Baka is the central character in Mulkraj Anand's novel. So you have to write the name of the novel in the comment. Now let us move to the second question. Who won the Booker of Bookers? This question is not related to Mulkraj Anand actually, but he has been given as an option over here. So I thought of including this question. The Best of the Booker is a special prize awarded in commemoration of the Booker's Prize 40th anniversary, and the winner as chosen by public vote was Salman Rushdie. Next, who among the following Indian writers in English has created an identifiable imagined locale? Mulkraj Anand, Raja Rao, R.K. Narayan, or Anita Desai? Even here the answer is not Mulkraj Anand, it is R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan has famously created many localities, many imagined localities. Specifically, Malgudi is the one that I can recall at present. When was Mulkraj Anand born? The answer is option number A, 12th December 1900. When was he awarded Padma Bhushan? The answer 1968. What is the name of his first novel? The answer option number A, Untouchable. When was his first book published? The answer option number D, 1935. For which autobiographical work did he win Sahitya Academy Award? The answer is Morning Face. Morning Face 1968 में publish हुआ था. It won the Sahitya Academy Award to him. Sahitya Academy Award, as I told already, is the best literature award in India. In which year he was awarded by International Peace Prize? The answer is 1953, option number D. What is the name of his last novel? The Road, The Private Life of an Indian Prince, The Lost Child, or The Big Heart? The Road is the right answer. Option number A. The Road is a 1961 English language novel by Mulkraj Anand. I hope the video has been helpful. You can contact us to join our classes. The numbers are given on the screen, and by clicking on this particular link you can reach to the biographies of other prominent writers. Thanks a lot for watching and best of luck for your exams.